Hey guys, lately Bitcoin, Ethereum, and bigger altcoins are trading downwards. That's why it's really hard to find the new up-and-coming altcoins. And when it's hard to trade, you know what we do? We copy trade. That's why today I'm going to show you one of the best copy trading tools that allows you to find profitable wallets, analyze these wallets, and also copy trade them on one platform. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. It's purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So today we're talking about a brand new and really powerful tool called SolTrader. Not that many people still know about this project, so it's really great for all the early users who are watching this video because you have advantage over other traders. So first of all, what does this bot do? So first of all, you can find all the trading tokens. Number two, you can find all the profitable wallets and analyze them. Number three, you can start copy trading these wallets. And number four, which is a really powerful tool I haven't seen anywhere else, you can actually copy trade X or Telegram groups automatically using this bot. So basically everything is done for you. But now let's talk about how to actually use this bot. So first you can find the link in the description. If you use my link, of course, you're helping my channel and also getting the biggest discount. Once you sign up, first of all, of course, we have to add some funds to our wallet. You can see I already added 0.2 Solana for this demo. And if you're a beginner, it's really simple. Just add Solana to this wallet. You can copy it right here. Also, if you're a more advanced trader, you can click plus right here and create multiple wallets on the same platform. Again, really great if you are trading with multiple wallets, multiple strategies, and you want to keep it all separate. Next up on top, you can see your portfolio. You can see your P&L, so profits and losses. You can see your realized P&L, unrealized, and also win rate. So you get all the information under one hood. And after that, we have the copy trading. Again, it's really simple platform, only 6 buttons, and all of these buttons have really great features. So if you click copy trading, it's really simple. Just add the wallet you want to copy. So actually there's multiple ways how can you find wallets. We have wallet trackers. You can find all the different wallets. You can see again the total profit, realized profit, and realized, and you can actually filter by all of these parameters. Also we have time periods. Also we have whale tracker. You can actually track what our whales are doing. But again, we can use some manual ways. You can just jump into DEX screener, find the trending tokens, go to top traders and see what are they doing. So for this example, I jumped to one of these trending tokens, clicked right here, and I got this random wallet. But again, for this video, I'm just showing you example how it works. So don't copy any wallets because I don't guarantee any profits. It's purely just to show you how it all works. So let's copy the wallet. Let's go back. So if you decide to copy one of these wallets, click add wallet. Next up, select what wallet you want to use to actually fund this trading. So main one has 0.2. Next up, add the wallet. You can name this wallet. So YouTube test. And after that, you have to set up buy mode and also sell mode. So basically how much to buy and how much to sell. So it's really simple. We have only 3 options. All of them have explainers under that. So we have auto. So auto mode will calculate trades based on the same percentage of balance that the target wallet uses. So next up, we have fixed amount. So basically this is where you can put in the fixed amount you want to buy when the original wallet is buying. And lastly, we have percentage. So you can set up what percentage you want to copy. So bot will use, for example, for this 10% of your wallet balance for each trade. So again, really simple setup, really simple buttons, and all of them have explanations. And the same goes for the sell mode. So let's keep it now at percentage 10% because I don't have a big budget. You can also go with auto. So the first one is follow. So basically you're going to follow the main wallet. So when the wallet which are you copying will sell, you also will sell. So this is really standard and I would recommend doing this. Next up, never. So when the original wallet sells, you're not selling, which is interesting strategy unless you're watching the charts manually. Again, I don't recommend going never. And lastly, you can set up take profits and stop losses. So you can set up at what percentage do you want to take profits and at what loss you can take losses. Again, this is more manual, but for this example, let's follow, add wallet. And you can see we have our first copy trading setup. At any time, you can pause the setting, you can also edit it, or you can delete it completely. Again, really simple to follow. Next up, we have signals. So as I mentioned, this bot is really different because it allows you to copy not only traders, insiders, you can also copy different signal groups. So right now we have recommended on Twitter and Telegram. So on Twitter, nothing, but we have 4 Telegram groups. And actually you can click right here. You can actually check out what kind of group this is. So for this one, it's Super Degen Club. It has almost 4,200 subscribers. And again, it's same. You can click plus, set up fixed or percentage buys, also sell strategy, and start copy trading these signal groups. If you have some personal favorite groups, you can also add it manually. So click right here, add signal source, select Twitter or Telegram, input the links or input the usernames, and you can also use the same strategies. Again, it's really powerful if you find some really great signals or really powerful insider group or some Twitter influencer who is right all the time. Again, really powerful tools and really simple to use. Again, you just click like 3 buttons and you can start copy trading different people, different groups, different whales. Next up, we have trending button. So right here, you can actually see what's trending right now in the market. So we have Pump Swap, Raydium, Meteora, Orca, Pump.fun, and Launch Labs. We have different time periods. You can also select all DEXs just to see what's happening in the markets. And if you want to buy, you can click trade and actually start buying and selling right here in the same platform. So not only you can automate the trades, you can also do different trades manually. Also, you can track different wallets. For example, I had one wallet. You can paste in and see how this wallet is actually performing. So actually, this wallet is not performing that well. But again, you can paste in different wallets and check their statistics before copy trading. Again, you can check out all the big whales, big wallets, their profits, their win rates. You can even click right here to get it on the Sol scan or copy these wallets all together and paste them, for example, in the copy trading tool. Again, really great tool. And also they have paid plans. So right now I'm on the premium plan, but you can start using this bot for free. Again, if you use my link in description, you can start using this bot for free. You can do one copy trading wallet. You can do one signal source, one user wallet, and there's 5% platform fee. Once you test the platform and once you find the winning strategy or a winning wallet or a winning group, you can actually upgrade. For example, premium plan, which I have right now, then you can copy 10 different wallets, you get 5 signal sources, free user wallets, 1% platform fee, which is really low, or you can even get 0% if you go for the enterprise. You get support for the whale tracker and the wallet tracker, which I just showed you right here. So in my opinion, this is a really cool tool. It has really unique features. You can track wallets, you can check them in seconds. And for me, my favorite is actually copy trading X or Twitter people profiles and also Telegram groups automatically, because sometimes they have really great meta. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And of course, you will find all the links in the description. See you next time.